installed 33x18 above ground pool with 30x30 deck. Now you can have summer vacation in your own backyard. Custom cherry cabinetry with loads of cabinets plus island. Vaulted ceilings allow loads of sunlight. Bedroom over garage has bathroom with shower. The 4-piece bath on main level has whirlpool tub separate glass shower. Cherry hardwood floors on main level. Ceramic in entryway and kitchen. Cozy family room down has wood stove and walkout. Alarm system 2 sets of hookups for laundry roughed in for in-law suite. Vendor is licensed as a salesperson under the Real Estate Agents Act of New Brunswick.